What's up guys, Sniper here. This video is updated video for the best settings for StreamLabs 2018. This will be best settings for StreamLabs 2019. So I'm gonna show you the new settings. I changed a lot of stuff and the quality is getting better, but for me, because I have a bad internet, I can't really change, big deal. So you need to install StreamLabs first of all, and then you need to go here, settings, and you need to go here at output. This is the most important. So at output mode, go to advanced, then audio track, don't change anything. At encoder, normally it depends. If you have a good video card, you should use NVMe. If you have a good CPU, I think the best is to go for software X264, because the encoding is a lot better. And if you have a secondary PC that you can use just for streaming and you have a good CPU in it, just use this software without any problems. So go for software, and then rate control, go for constant bitrate, and then down at bitrate, go for 10,000, like this. Because I don't have a really good upload speed, I can stream just at 4,000 normally, so that's a sweet spot for 720p 60 fps. But I'm streaming at 4,000 because that's maximum that I can use for the moment. And then keyframe interval, enter 1, and then CPU usage per set. This thing depends. If you have good CPU, go for like faster or fast, but fast is the best. And then profile, you can go for high, but this doesn't change too much. This doesn't change almost anything at all. And this one is like for a color tune, but you should leave it like this. At audio, desktop audio device, just use your Realtek high definition audio, the speakers. And then for mic, go on, set your mic. If you have a Blue Yeti, as I do, choose your Blue Yeti. If you have something else, choose that. That's it for audio. We should go to video. Here, base canvas, leave it 1080p. At output, resolution, if you have the best internet possible, go for 1080p. And here, FPS, 60 FPS. This is the best for the most crisp video, most crisp stream. Hell yeah! And downscape filter, I'm using this one, Langzos, but I think that's pretty unstable, buggy sometimes. So the best is to go for big cubic, and here at FPS type, don't change anything, leave it like this. And then at advanced, you need to change the IUV color range to full, because I see sometimes it's partial by default, and IUV color space to 709, because normally it's 601, and you will see a big difference in colors. At 709 is more like what you see on your desktop, on your screen, so go for this. And then press done. This should be it. And good luck. Bye.